Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan Performante and this is by Bburago. So we did unbox the Gurus, which by the way was really amazing, and I personally loved it so much, specifically for the price point. And even if I'm not considering the price point, that looked absolutely phenomenal. And so I'm really hoping that this is going to be the same as that. Okay, let's cut it from this side. So I bought this for somewhere around 750 rupees from a guy in Facebook. So I'm buying a lot from Facebook, so maybe one or two persons I know really well, but not everyone. So this is the first time I bought something from this guy. So uh, I'm really forgetting his name. So maybe in next time when I'm doing some video, I will just remember his name and let you know, guys. Okay, so here it is. Let's take it out. Let's put this aside. Wow, just wow. Honestly, man, see, out of the box, this looks so beautiful. I'm not sure if this is dust. Yeah, it is dust. Okay, so they really nailed the paint job, and you can see the headlights here, that is acrylic, and logo placement is really nice. Let me just, wow, the detailing is really awesome. Honestly, the wheels looks really nice, the rims looks really nice. So okay, the spoiler is actually metal, but the thing is, it is a separate part, it is not merged with the body. So even tail lights, it is embossed and painted on top of it. It does have exhaust details. So it does have a little bit of chassis details. This is super awesome, and I'm not sure this is movable or something. I don't want to break it, man. Okay, they are showing some difference here. When it comes to uh, the exhaust part. So the paint job is so awesome. Which I personally love. It does have rear view mirrors. That is really nice. It does have openable doors. Let me just. Yep, here it is. Okay. Let me just show it in this way. Let's see how this one looks. Honestly, I'm just planning to buy a pure white light with a lot more power, but I'm not able to get it. Wow, this detailing looks really amazing. Okay, the door is a little bit finicky here, but still. Okay, it does have some kind of latch here, which this door sits, which is really nice. So it does have engine detailing here. That is really nice. It does have some scratches on the glass here, but okay, it is fine compared to the overall casting. The wiper details are here. It looks really nice. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. It does have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. Honestly, I forgot whether I did roll test for the Urus, but let's do for this one. No, it doesn't roll really well. The wheel wobbles a lot, specifically the rear wheel. I'm not sure, maybe because of these brands have suspension on these cars, maybe that makes it not roll really well when you are pushing it. Not only on this brand, I'm talking about Tomica or even Majorits in this case. So Majorit actually has some weird height, right? Sorry, ride height. So because they have huge suspension on every car, but compared to that, this looks really beautiful. This is true to scale. I personally love this. So if you are in the range of 700 or 800, and if you want to buy something other than Tamica or Majorit, or something which is some equal to Tomica, my suggestion would be this one. This looks absolutely beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.